Namaste. Now we are performing Narasimha Jayanti and Chinnamasta Devi Jayanti special homam. First, I will explain about the fourth Avadara of Sriman Narayana, Sri Narasimha. Lord Narasimha is the fourth Avadar. In Bhagavad Gita it is mentioned, Yada Yada He Dharmasya, that sloga, whenever there is a complete loss and breakdown of dharma, that is justice, and the dominance of evil in the world, there will be an emergence of an avatar of Lord Vishnu to correct the wrongs and set the balance. As per the legend, the emperor of all the three realms, Hiranyakasipu, became extremely arrogant over his achievements and power and advocated to the people that he should be treated as a god and prayed to as the supreme power. Those who resisted his dictates were tortured heavily. Although the emperor was able to subdue most of his subjects, he was unsuccessful in convincing his own son, Prahalada, who claimed that none can be higher than the Supreme Being, Sriman Narayana, and urged his father to seek the forgiveness of Lord Mahavishnu. Angered over the disobedience of his son, Hiranyakasipu subjected his son Prahalada to all forms of torture, which had no impact on him, as the Lord had protected him during every torture and prevented all calamities. Finally, Hiranyakasipu asked his son to show him the location of Lord Vishnu so he could defeat him and declare himself being supreme. Prahalada, tutor, educated his father that the Lord is omniscient and omnipresent. He is present everywhere, and this enrages the emperor, who is in a fit of rage, breaks the pillar of his palace, from which emerges Lord Mahavishnu as a half lion and half human form called Narasimha, who devours the emperor Hiranyakasipu. Spiritually, the destruction of the animal tendencies, aggression, pride, ego, and all false identities, and the emergence of humane behavior within us, combined with humility and devotion to the divine, is signified by the avatar of Lord Narasimha. The power of Lord Narasimha is the divine mother Narasimhika, also called as Prithingara Devi in the Srividya tradition, and Adarvana Bhatrakali in the Dasamahavidya tradition. The Divine Mother Prithingara Devi brings about the spiritual transformation within us and removes our beastly tendency by her divine grace. Unstinted devotion towards the Divine Mother is a prerequisite to gain her favor. Recitation of Lord Narasimha mantras, stotras, and other devotional hymns and Kundalini meditation on this day of his emergence called Narasimha Jayanti can help us attain manifold benefits. The worshippers of Divine Mother Prithingara Devi may in turn choose to recite her mantras and stotras with sincere devotion to commemorate the auspicious day and attain her grace. One must try their best with sincere devotion and offer their prayers in whatever manner they can.
Please subscribe to our Vedi Books YouTube channel by clicking on the bell icon.